Pacific Western Airlines was an aviation pioneer in Alberta over its roughly 30-year history. In the 1960s, PWA began its wildly popular Airbus service between downtown Edmonton and Calgary. Before the advent of jets, the flights relied on big four-engine propeller airliners, the DC-4 and the DC-6. Here at the museum, we have an original DC-6 simulator, and our team is working hard to make it flight-worthy once again.
Hello, my name is Monty Dewey. I'm a volunteer restoration assistant here at the Alberta Aviation Museum in Edmonton, Alberta. We've been working on the DC-6 simulator that was originally a commercial flight simulator for Pacific Western Airlines. Some of the controls were all pulley and cable controls, especially for the yoke, the rudder pedals, throttles, etc. So we've had to come up with an idea on how we're going to put electronics into this so it'll actually talk with a PC computer.
My name is Don Lagarde, and I'm a volunteer here for 3 years. And they needed somebody that had some electrical knowledge, which I have. We had to strip all the old system out, all the old computer stuff that they had, which was really outdated, and then we brought it up to more or less today's standard. And we're putting so many different micro switches in and potentiometers. Not so easy to get into a lot of these places on this aircraft. A lot of underneath the aircraft and changing wiring.
We're about 90% complete with having this operational, but some of the gauges and some of the switching will not be able to be modified because they are old analog gauges that we just don't have the capability or budget to really get them to fully operate the way they would as Pacific Western Airlines had when they were training their commercial pilots on this exact simulator.
It is such an interesting project to sit in the chair and to fly any place in the world. And the identical airports and the identical runways for even Edmonton, when you leave, it's right up to date, and it's the same buildings and everything, and it's just kind of really cool.
Thanks to Monty and Don for their meticulous work on a very complex project. Keep an eye open for public events where you too can fly this classic airliner. Let us know what you think of this video and check out the others in the series. And see you next time as we go behind the scenes at the Alberta Aviation Museum.